guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little bit different of a video. I have gotten a few requests to see what I eat in a day. As interesting as that might seem to people, it's pretty boring for me, but I figured why not document it for you guys since I've had so many of you asking. So I'm just going to show you guys what I eat throughout a typical day. Today is a Monday and I do have some class later in the afternoon, so I will show you guys what I'm going to be making, and right now it starts with breakfast. So I'm headed out of the house now. It is 2:03. So I have class at 3 o'clock, but I have a few things to run and grab before I head there. So I'm just bringing a snack with me. So I didn't really have lunch today, which is bad. I know I should be better, especially when filming this for you guys, but this is realistic. What I'm bringing with me is I'm bringing a Fibre 1 bar. I really like these. They actually have decent nutrition to them. And then I'm going to be bringing 2 clementines with me. I have class for 2 hours and then I'm headed back home. So it's not really a long day, but I will catch you guys around dinner time.
No, I have a red mark. I can't be in the video. Look. There's
Kevin.
a red mark. No?
Okay, so for dinner tonight, we are recreating one of our favorite things ever. Do you want to tell them what it is?
It is a Southwest Chipotle bowl from Cultures.
Okay, so Cultures, if you don't know what it is like a fast food, healthy, quick eats place, kind of like a Freshie. Kevin is taking the tripod because my arm is too small. So we're gonna recreate that tonight. It's just like a rice bowl that has sweet potato and cheese, but not for me because I'm lactose intolerant, and chicken and lots of good stuff. So I will show you as I prep it, but yeah, we're super excited to eat. So I have some tomato, I have some red pepper, corn, chicken, and cheese is for Kevin because I am lactose intolerant, so I won't be having any of that. But our bowls that we're going to have tonight are going to be going in here. I like to have a spinach-based mine, whereas Kevin just likes plain rice. So while our sweet potato is cooking and we're waiting for things to finish, I figured I would mention that something that Cultures has on their bowls that we love is their chipotle sauce. So we're like, how in the hell do you make chipotle sauce? So we went to the store and we bought Chipotle Ranch, if that'll focus. It's from PC and
it doesn't smell the same.
It does not taste the same. It is not the same.
Won't even try it.
So if you guys like Cultures and you like this bowl that we're talking about, this is not a dupe.
Or if you know where to find the sauce, tell me.
Yeah, tell us in the comments down below. If you know what Chipotle sauce I'm talking about, or if you know one that you're like, girl, I've got you, please tell me, because this one sucks.
I will buy it by the boatload.
guys, it is the end of the night and I have shown you everything that I ate today. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like down below. I would love to hear from you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.